Are you ready to uncover the secrets of success from one of the greatest investors of all time? Warren Buffett became a millionaire at the age of 30 and has since amassed a fortune that puts him among the wealthiest people in the world. From his early days to his current status as a financial legend, Buffett has shared with young people valuable advice for achieving wealth and success. In this video, we'll reveal his most inspiring tips that will help you reach your own financial goals. Don't miss this opportunity to learn from the best and take your financial journey to the next level. Number 1. Start young. Warren Buffett said, "I started building this little snowball at the top of a very long hill. The trick to having a very long hill is either starting very young or living to be very old." The nature of compound interest is that if you start investing in the right place at a young enough age, then over time, your investments will have amassed a fortune. The Oracle of Omaha went on to say that if he had been a college graduate in 1999 with $10,000 to invest, he would have been smart about where to put his money, focusing on smaller companies because he would have been working with smaller amounts of money and there would be a higher chance of overlooked opportunities in the smaller cap arena. Buffett went on to explain how he would adopt a very simple approach by simply going through lists of companies alphabetically and work his way down from there. Number 2. Learn about the principles of accounting. As Warren Buffett said, accounting is the language of business, and you have to be as comfortable with that as you are with your own native language to really evaluate businesses. Accounting tells you a lot, but it can be used in many ways to deceive. He also added that your knowledge grows when you know what kinds of things are very competitive and what kinds are not, and why. You will learn terms like revenue, expense, asset, liability, income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows. You'll learn about debits and credits as well as how to record transactions. Buffett advises us to do a lot of reading about investments to get as much business experience as possible. Talk business with those people that are in business themselves to find out what they think makes their operation work well or where they have problems and why. If you want to understand business, you must learn accounting and speak the language of business and finance. Number 3. Study many stocks but only invest in a few. Buffett does research on every stock he is interested in, but he only buys a few, and only when he can get a good price on a great company. He only buys a small number of stocks, and a very small number of those picks have made most of his money over his lifetime. The lesson is that you should be very careful about what you buy and invest your money in on the stock market. Buffett said, "I was working with a tiny amount of money, and so I would pour through volumes of businesses to find only one or two that I could put $10,000 into." Number 4. Be careful with college debt. What is Warren Buffett's opinion of business school? This is what he said. "It depends on the person much more than it depends on the school. Some people are going to get a lot out of advanced education, and some people are going to get very little. I don't even think it's important that every person go to college at all. It's a big commitment to take the 4 years involved, the cost involved, maybe the loans involved. Depending on what your interests are in life, I don't think college is for everybody." The answer to whether you should go to college is the question, what are your goals and why are you going? It seems that Buffett bases his decisions and actions on his goals, and he sees college as an investment that you may or may not need in the future, depending on what you want to do with your life. But before we go any farther, let's keep in mind that accomplishments aren't always immediate. It can take a long time to show up in your life, which is why you should start young. Or if you're not that young, you should start now. It's never too late. Even if you only employ just a few of these tips, they will help. Continue watching to pick up some more financial tips for young people from Warren Buffett. Number 5. Find your passion in life first, and then the money will find you. Without passion, you don't have energy. Without energy, you have nothing. Warren Buffett said. He also added that, "No CEO has it better than me. I truly do feel like tap dancing to work every day." Passion gives you the drive to get things done. If you want to win in any business, you have to love what you do more than your competitors, or they will work harder than you. Your passion gives you the drive to keep working hard, and because it's something you care about, it makes what you do fun. People who work with you will also be inspired by your drive and want to do more. Your life has meaning because of what you care about. So, find your passion and don't let anything stop you. Number 6. Seize opportunities aggressively. Warren Buffett said, "Opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble." He also said that the main mistakes we've made, some of them big time, are ones when we didn't invest at all. Even when we understood it was cheap and starting on an investment and not maximizing it. We're more likely to make mistakes of a mission, not commission. When life gives you a good risk to reward ratio that's skewed in your favor by a lot, you should take that bet with a large amount of money when the chances of winning are high and the payoff is big. Number 7. You are your most valuable investment. Invest your time and energy wisely. Putting money into yourself will make you feel better about yourself and give you more confidence in what you can do. Focusing on your personal development will not only teach you new things and give you new skills, but it will also help you learn more about yourself. As Warren Buffett said, you only have one mind and one body for the rest of your life. Read, educate yourself, eat healthy, exercise, go out and enjoy a beautiful view, spend time with your loved ones. Buffett says, if you aren't taking care of your mind and body when you're young, it's like leaving a car out in the rain and letting the rust eat away at it. If you don't take care of your mind and body now, by the time you're 40 or 50, you'll be like that car that can't go anywhere. The best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you'll earn. Number 8. Surround yourself with winners. Warren Buffett said, you want to associate with people who are the kind of person you'd like to be. You'll move in that direction, and the most important person by far in that respect is your spouse. Marry the right person. I'm serious about that. It will make a bigger difference in your life. It will change your aspirations and all kinds of things. He also added that one of the best things you can do in life is to surround yourself with people who are better than you are. If you're around what he calls high-grade people, you'll start acting more like them. Conversely, if you hang around with people who behave worse than you, pretty soon you'll start being pulled in that direction. That's just the way it seems to work. If you want to know what your future will be like, look at the people you choose to spend the most time with. Meet people you want to be like or who are on the same path as you. Get to know them and hang out with them. Don't undervalue how much your closest relationships can change your life for the better or worse. You have just learned Warren Buffett's financial tips to young people who want to get rich. 1. Start young. 2. Learn about accounting. 3. Study many stocks but only invest in a few. 4. Be careful with college debt. 5. Find your passion and the money will find you. 6. Seize opportunities aggressively. 7. You are your most valuable investment. 8. Surround yourself with winners. We're going to wrap things up here for today. We hope you enjoyed the content of this video. If you want more information on the tips to make the most out of your money, check out our other videos on the screen. Thank you for watching.